In 2004, I recall the first time that we drove into the Eisteddfod. We walked onto the grounds and were overwhelmed with the color and the energy and people from all over the world. I was really amazed at the diversity and the excitement. I knew that I was in a very, very special place.
I think about 6 or 7 years ago, I received an invitation, and as soon as I got to the space, I was just mesmerized and felt really happy because I loved the vibration straight away. I felt like, oh, this is my place. And I thought that was a very magical time. The show itself was like one of the most beautiful things I ever saw in my life.
I remember distinctively the first moments of arriving at the pavilion at the Eisteddfod and how much incredible warmth and joy. And I remember every single person around that pavilion was so generous and so warm, and it made a huge impact on me. And I thought, oh, I really want to come back here for the rest of my life.
An outstanding memory is going to Dinesbran High School. We interacted with the kids there and had an amazing time sharing music and making them dance around and sing with us. The relationships my kids get with the other kids who've hosted us and the kids we've met in Llangollen stick with us to this day, and they're still connected after nearly 16 years.
Every year I so look forward to singing the Welsh national anthem and looking out into that sea of every single different possible nationality and thinking to myself, we're all here because we believe in the power of music to heal and to unite us.
It is difficult to go to the Eisteddfod and not get to know people from all over the globe. That is one of the most amazing things that can happen to anybody who goes there.
It's an incredible place to extend your network, the human relationships that you experience when you're visiting a warm and friendly and open space.
It makes the world seem at once just so small, united by our shared passion and by this wonderful festival.
Everything is unique about Lyme, all that diversity and colors and smells and the beautiful people that attend it. And the most important thing is that I feel that I am part of it myself.
Even though it is a competition, it is more of a celebration of music, of cultures. It is unique in that it is so friendly, and it's a gathering of people from all over the world to unite us in music and in harmony.
One of the most unique aspects of Llangollen is the adjudication, the time that we spend with the entire audience describing why we are writing the comments and what led to the numbers that they're going to hear.
It is the most diverse festival I've been in my life. I wouldn't change a thing.
I really do feel that Llangollen does represent background diversity in every single aspect, from programming to the actual competition to even something like cuisine.
Everyone is invited, everyone is celebrated. I feel that it is working towards allowing for newer voices and newer traditions in music and in dance.
It is the most diverse event that happens in Wales and probably around the world. The festival welcomes acts from the entire planet, and these exchanges, it is the most important thing we should be doing at this very moment in time.
Throughout all the COVID-19 trauma and also the Black Lives Matter movement, I keep thinking about the event at the Festival of Nations, where you see nothing but joy from every single corner of the globe on one small street. We always knew that was really so special, but now that the world is going through this incredibly tumultuous time, I don't think we even understood how special that was. So we will continue to come back and spread the word about what an amazing festival it is, and hopefully have many more people come join in the celebration of diversity and of inclusion and everything that we're trying to talk about more. How awesome is it that Llangollen has been doing this for so many decades when so much of the world is now just coming to this discussion?
I'm really looking forward to see you again next year, and I just wish you all the best and thank you for everything. Diolch yn fawr.